Is your Chevy Silverado's third brake light on the fritz? Let's fix it. First, make sure your truck is off and the keys are out of the ignition. Safety first. Next, locate the screws holding the brake light housing in place. You'll usually find 2 screws on either side of the light. Carefully remove these with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the brake light housing away from the truck. Be careful with the wiring. Now check the bulb. If it's blown, replace it with a new one. You'll need a 921 style bulb. Simply pop the old one out and snap the new one in. If the bulb isn't the issue, inspect the wiring and connectors. Make sure everything is secure and there's no visible damage. A loose connection can often be the culprit. After you've checked everything, reattach the brake light housing. Screw it back in place, making sure it's snug but not too tight. Now, start your truck and test the light. Working, great job! And there you have it. Your Chevy Silverado's third brake light is back in action. Keep those tips in mind and drive safe.